Hello guys, welcome back. This is Ben Mart. Before to this video guys, I have 10 times of reroll items in the Candyworks Caravan guys. I hope Gavin will give me some valuable items or arcanas guys. I hope so guys. It worked in this video guys. And let's do this guys. The first reroll. Let's go. Arcana. My kid. What is this guys? I don't use this kind of heroes guys, and I have minimal only that uses the some heroes of the Dota 2 guys. Let's roll another one. Arcana. What is this guys? I don't know what is this. I hope so. It's my god. I use this hero guys, Fudge, and in the market guys is 112. The price list in the market, and I think I don't like it guys because this is not valuable item guys. Let's go back guys. Let's reroll another guys. Let's go. Arcana. My god, what is this? It's my god. What is this guys? Timbersaw. I use Timbersaw guys, but I don't. Okay, it's good guys, but I don't like it. The other heroes here, I don't know how to use it. Let's reroll guys. Another reroll. Let's go. Arcana please. Arcana please. Arcana. What the heck boy? Gavin will not give me some arcanas guys. I have many reroll of this. This is a part 5 of rerolling guys in my videos. I hope you like it guys. I hope it worked some of my videos guys. Let's go guys. Let's roll another one guys. Arcana. My god, what is this? 225 to season. Twisted Wisdom set. I don't know how to use this hero guys. Sorry for my skills. I don't know some of the heroes of the Dota 2 guys. I used Invoker, Pudge, Axe, and I used some of that hero guys that I know how to use this guys. Let's roll another guys. This is 5th reroll guys. I hope Gavin will give me some valuable items. Let's go. God, what is this? Mythical, 6 pesos only guys. Let's roll another one. 4th reroll guys. I hope Arcana it's this. Oh my god, Amaterasu guys. What the Thanks Gavin. My god, this is good guys. This is good. Thanks Gavin for the early gift. And how to put this guys? I don't know how to. I don't know how to use this candies guys. I'm sorry for this. I don't know, but I'm trying my best guys to use this. Oh my god, this is it. Thank you so much. I like this guy so much. I like it very much guys. Thanks Gavin for the early gift. Let's try trade now. Oh my god, thank you so much, Gavin. Let's screenshot, guys. Let's screenshot. I think screenshot is not working. I think screenshot is not working, guys, but it's okay, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is an awesome, guys. Let's roll another, guys. Let's continue, guys. Let's go. Let's go. My god. Let's roll another, guys. What is this? Immortal, guys. I think it is good, guys. It is good. Immortal, guys. I think oh my god, thanks Gavin for the early gift. But I don't have any. God. 2018 treasure. 40 pesos. Guys, this is 40 pesos, but I think, guys, I think, guys, it oh my god, I think, guys, it I skip this, guys, because my candies is running low, guys. I don't have enough candies to trade an arcana or any valuable items, guys. Let's reroll the last one, guys. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. This is a part 5 video, guys, and I hope you watch the next videos, part 6, guys. I have 10 times, another 10 times, guys, of reroll the items, guys. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.